If your B2B company is stuck at the $3 to $5 million revenue ceiling, this video could be the breakthrough you've been looking for. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why 68% of B2B founders get trapped in tool hell and the simple automation system that's helping smart founders break through to $10 million plus without adding more complexity to their stack. Stay until the end because I'm giving away 20 free qualified B2B leads to the first people who book a demo. I'm Tony Koenig, and over the past 18 years, I've helped over 360 B2B founders break through their scaling bottlenecks using marketing automation. My clients have generated over $300 million in additional revenue, and today I want to share the exact system that's working right now in 2025. But first, let me ask you something. Here's what nobody tells you about scaling past $3 million. The same patchwork of tools that got you there becomes your biggest bottleneck. And here's the brutal truth. Every lead you lose to slow follow-up costs you an average of $8,400 in lifetime value. I see this nightmare every single day. Brilliant founders running 8, 12, sometimes 15 different tools that don't talk to each other. HubSpot for marketing, Salesforce for sales, Slack for team communication, Calendly for booking, Zapier trying to duct tape everything together, and still the 40% of their leads fall through the cracks. You're spending 3 hours a day just switching between platforms. Your sales team is manually copying data between systems, and by the time you follow up with a hot prospect, they've already bought from your faster competitor. If you're still logging into 10 plus tools every morning, manually updating spreadsheets, or discovering leads that went cold because nobody followed up, you're literally hemorrhaging revenue while your competitors eat your lunch. Let me show you exactly where most B2B companies get stuck. There's this trap between $3 million and $10 million where 68% of founders drown in their own tool stack. And it's not because they're not working hard enough, it's because their systems are working against each other. Here's what happens. At 3 million ARR, you've probably got your marketing team using HubSpot, your sales team on Salesforce, your customer success team in Intercom, accounting in QuickBooks, project management in Asana, and 6 other essential tools that each team swears they need. But here's the killer. When a lead comes in from your website, it takes an average of 73 minutes and 4 different people to get that lead properly into your sales process. By hour 2, that hot prospect has already moved on to your competitor who responded in 5 minutes. This is where 90% of founders make the same mistake. They keep adding more tools, hoping to solve what's actually a connection problem. It's like trying to fix traffic by building more roads that don't connect to each other. Smart founders solve this with what I call the unified revenue engine. It's the single automation platform that connects all your disconnected tools and eliminates the follow-up delays that are killing your conversion rates. Integration number 1, instant lead response system. The moment someone fills out a form, downloads content, or visits your pricing page, they're automatically added to a personalized follow-up sequence that starts within 60 seconds. One client went from 3-day response times to 60-second response times and saw their conversion rate jump from 12% to 34%. Integration number 2, unified customer journey tracking. Instead of your team scrambling between 8 different dashboards, everything happens in one place. Marketing sees what sales is doing, sales sees what marketing generated, customer success knows the entire history, all in real time. Here's the game changer. When Sarah from marketing sends an email and the prospect opens it, your sales rep gets an instant notification to call within 5 minutes while they're still engaged. That's how you beat competitors who are still checking emails twice a day. Integration number 3, automated handoff orchestration. No more leads falling through cracks between departments. The system automatically moves prospects through your entire revenue process, from first touch to close deal to upsell, without a single manual handoff. Let me show you exactly how this works. Marcus runs a B2B consulting firm that was stuck at 3.2 million ARR for 2 years. His team was juggling 11 different tools, leads were taking 2 to 3 days to get proper follow-up, and his best prospects were going cold while his team played data entry catch-up. Instead of hiring more coordinators to manage the chaos, we unified his entire revenue engine. Within 60 days, here's what happened. Average response times shrunk from 3 days to 47 seconds, led to customer conversion skyrocketed from 8% to 28%. Team productivity, a healthy jump, up 240%, same headcount. Revenue growth that made him smile, 3.2 million to 5.8 million ARR in 8 months. And the best part, his team went from spending 4 hours a day on manual data tasks to focusing 90% of their time on actual selling. That's what happens when your tools work for you instead of against you. Now, if you want to fix this tool chaos yourself, here are the 3 steps. Step 1, map your current lead journey and identify every point where prospects get stuck waiting for manual handoffs. Usually, there are 5 to 7 delay points between first contact and first sales call. Step 2, choose one unified platform that can replace 3 to 5 of your current tools instead of adding another integration layer. Most founders fail because they try to connect everything instead of consolidating. Step 3, set up instant response triggers for every high-intent action. When someone visits your pricing page, downloads a case study, or opens your proposal, your team needs to know within minutes, not hours. Now, here's where this gets interesting for you. Most automation systems cost $50,000 to $100,000 to implement properly. But because I know how game-changing this is for B2B founders, I want to make you an offer you literally cannot refuse. I'm giving away 20 free qualified B2B leads to the first 20 people who book a demo call. These aren't random contacts from some list. These are hand-verified prospects in your exact target market who've shown buying intent in the last 30 days. Each lead is worth an average of $3,000 to $5,000 in potential revenue. So you're getting $60,000 to $100,000 worth of leads completely free just for taking a 15-minute demo. Here's the thing. I can only do this for 20 people because we personally audit your current tool stack and build custom integration maps for each business. Once we hit 20 demos booked, this offer disappears forever. To claim your 20 free leads, click the link in the description right now, book your demo, and my team will deliver your leads within 24 hours. No catches, no upsells. I'm literally paying for your leads because I know once you see how powerful this system is, you'll want to scale it. Don't wait on this. Click the link below, book your demo, and I'll see you on the call. This could be the decision that takes your B2B company from tool chaos to revenue clarity, from $3 million stuck to $10 million streamlined. And if you got value from this video, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because I share these revenue growing strategies every week. Remember, there are no bad leads, just bad follow-up. Speed to lead is critical, and every minute your prospect waits while you're switching between tools is a minute your competitor is closing the deal. The companies that unified their revenue engines are the ones dominating their markets in 2025. Your competitors are already implementing these systems while you're still playing whack-a-mole with 12 different dashboards. The question is, will you lead or will you follow? Click the link, book your demo, get your 20 free leads, and let's scale your B2B sales together. Keep on scaling.